Hey there again. I just got back from the junkyard and was able to get manual window regulators for my Rabbit. These ones here, as you can see, are extremely stripped. So there was an 84 Jetta in the junkyard that had exactly what I needed. So I'm going to show you how to swap these out. It's pretty simple. There are, I think, 6 bolts. 1, 2 holds the window on. 3 holds this part of the runner on, 4 underneath here, and then 5 and 6. They're 10 millimeter. Basically you want to roll the window down to expose these two, and then I'm going to grab a piece of tape and go up and over and tape both sides to keep that from falling off. But it's a pretty quick process. Everything is done with a 10 millimeter. Start by taping. There's one. There's 2. And 6. Alright, there is over here a metal tab. It's actually not folded in, but you can see the tab here. This is what retains that part in, so you just kind of fold that in or out. Now all we're going to do is pull this. It basically is going to rotate this way. And you pick this end and actually you'll then kind of just rotate it out like so. So it went in like this, and we rotated it like this, and then took this end here, the round end, and pulled it outside, and then worked it out that way. Here's the set I got from the junkyard. Just in case. I assumed that I had all the nuts and or the bolts and washers, but I grabbed them all from the yard just in case. slide it in. You just want to make sure that this portion goes in front of the catch for the window. There's a little metal thing. Sorry, a little metal thing right here that the tabs slide into. It takes a little finagling, but it's not bad. I'm going to put each of them in loosely, and then I'll tighten them all up after. I don't know if it matters, but these bolts use smaller washers over here. I ended up having to take a screwdriver to put in here to kind of lift up on that hole just to get it to align. Go. All right, everything is started. Well, drive them home. And since this car has no air conditioning, I definitely wanted the windows to be able to be rolled down. And when racing, it would be kind of a hazard. It'd be quite a hazard, actually, if I couldn't bring the windows down if I ended up crashing for whatever reason. There we go. That wasn't bad at all. It was an 11-minute task, or 11 minutes and 38 seconds. So I'm going to do the other side, but it's exactly the same, so you don't need to do it. And it's really hot out here. Again, gotta love North Carolina. Or maybe you don't. Either way. Like, subscribe, please. Tell your friends. Buy a rabbit. Work on it. Link some videos to me. Show me what you're doing. You got questions. You got things you need information on. Feel free to engage with me in the comments. And I'll do what I can do to help. See you later.